Hello, Lily.
Hello.
Junior?
Whoa!
Junior?
Junior?
Junior, what are you doing up there? Come down! It's too windy!
This is just like the fun fair! Give us 2 seconds! Woohoo!
2 seconds is all it takes for you to land in trouble!
Uh-oh.
Aha! Twinkle Toes Jr.
Oh no, my beach back!
You won't be surfing up here, Mr. Kahuna.
Really? Watch me.
Hang on tight, Moon Doggy.
Diesel's hijacked him.
What's gonna happen to Junior now?
Well, my family is usually pretty good at getting themselves out of trouble. Eventually.
I don't know what eventually means, but it sounds very, very long.
Where's Lily?
I wish I knew. I'm sorry, Mr. Stone. She wasn't at the station when I went back for her.
It's okay, Patch. We'll find her. Don't worry.
I'm brave. I'm brave. Thomas says I'm brave, so I'm brave. Oh, it's not easy being brave. Oh, shatter my pistons, it's Splatter and Dodge. They found the buffers. Oh, now what's going to happen?
Howdy, partner. Excuse me, coming through, partner.
Oh, that's just nothing. That nothing was something.
This must be the buffers that Diesel's looking for.
Are we supposed to go through them?
Oh, not me, you. This is a job for the boss.
We'll tell him tomorrow.
Yeah, tomorrow's good.
Oh, I better get back and warn Thomas.
I was doing my best to keep Lily cheerful. I knew she was worried about being late for her grandpa.
Mr. Conductor, I was supposed to be back by sunset.
You know, Lily, perhaps your grandpa can guess where you are.
He can?
Maybe. Because I think he's been here himself long ago. And if he can help, I do wish he'd hurry. I haven't told Junior this, but soon he'll grow as weak as I am.
Junior said there used to be an engine that traveled on the Magic Railroad. And if only we could find that, we could still head back to Shining Time.
Oh, that engine disappeared. Never to be seen or heard from again.
I have to tell you something, Mr. C. I've heard a train whistle and it sounded like it was coming from the mountain.
Mountain. I just remembered another part of the clue. Stoke up the magic in the mountain and the lady will smile. But we need more information, Lily. And I know that your grandpa could help if he would just believe that he could.
Lady?
She can whistle. I've heard her.
Yeah. So have I. It's because she's magic.
This must be the map of her magic railroad. But the railroad's energy is fading away. I sensed it when we were out riding. Lily and I were traveling on the ground above it.
The railroad needs Lady. But I don't know her special secret. And I need to know it now more than ever.
Because of Lily?
Yes, because of Lily.
So, Thomas, we must get Lily back to her grandpa now in case Diesel gets rid of the railway.
But how can Lily go without gold dust?
Only in the lost engine. Unless...
Unless...
Thomas, Will you please take Lily?
Through the buffers, but what if I go on the railway and my wheels don't work? But what if
Yes?
But what if it's dark?
It will be for a while.
And cold?
Maybe.
And how will I get back again?
Because you're a really useful engine and we'll find a way.
Then I'll try. I promise I'll get you home to your grandpa, Lily.
Follow me, partner.
Whoa.
Right this way to Bufferville. Just a walk in the park.
We're going through, Lily.
You're on your own from here on in, little blue buckaroo.
Little engines can do big things. It's dark and cold and bumpy, but I'm not afraid. Oh, there's the missing coal truck.
Coal truck? Stoke up the magic in the mountain. That's part of Mr. Conductor's clue to his gold dust.
And Lily, that's what you do with coal trucks. Stoke it up to big steam. We're going to be really reliable and help Mr. Conductor. We're going back for that coal truck. Buffers, coal trucks, we're starting to solve the mystery, Lily.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas.
Lily, where are we?
Muffle Mountain, Thomas.
I think I feel a little dizzy. I can't go any further. My wheels won't let me.
Then I'll be back, Thomas. I promise, but I must find Grandpa.
It's getting windy up here. Buzz my boiler! I left the coal truck behind.
Where's Grandpa? Can you take me to him? Jump up. How'd you know I could count on you?
Stop, wheels! Stop!
Oh, Lily. I'm so glad to see you.
There's this island of talking trains, and they said you might have been there. But Mr. Conductor's very sick, and Junior's in danger, and I had to leave poor Thomas behind. Here, please help me.
I'd like to, Lily. Nothing seems to work.
This is the lost engine from long ago. Now we can go back to the island and bring Mr. Conductor and Junior home.
I can't make her steam. I've tried all the different coals in the valley.
Lady. Is that her name?
Yes.
Coal. Special coal from the island of Sodor. That's what Lady needs. Patch, there's a coal truck up at the top of the mountain. Do you think you could get some?
Of course I will.